Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine, aren't you? So, today I am going to talk on notice writing. So, at the very outset, let me explain what notice is. A notice is written or printed announcement. It is generally written to inform to a large number of people about something that has happened or going to happen. It is written in a formal tone. A notice is factual and up to the point. A notice can be written on various topics like it can be an invitation to a meeting, an announcement of an event like dance competition, sports competition or social gatherings, or it can be related to the topics like blood donation camp, tree plantation, or to issue certain instruction. It is generally written and displayed at public places where it is accessible to all. It can be posted on the notice board as well. It is meant for wider audience. At times it can be published in the newspapers as well. So now let us know about the format or the structure of notice writing. Since notice is a formal document, it should follow certain structure or a set of principles. So while writing the notice, one has to keep the following points in one's mind to give justice to the notice writing. So the first point is the name of the institute, academy or school. The name of the institute, academy or school has to be written at the top of the page. And remember, the name of the academy, school or institution has to be written with capital letters, not small letters. So the next point is title of the notice. So while writing the notice, we mention the title, that is notice, just below the name of the institute, and the title of the notice is always written with capital letters, NOTICE. All the letters of the notice has to be written with capital letters, not small letters, because it draws an attention to the document. The next point is the date. The date has to be written to the left hand side of the notice, and it is always written like this: 19 January, 20 January, 25th March, like that, 2020. And once the date is over, the next point is about the heading of the notice. The heading of the notice also be written with the capital letters, not small letters, because it helps the reader to understand the purpose of the notice. So once the heading is over, the next point that we are going to know about is the body of the notice. Remember, the body of the notice should be precise, apt and up to the point, because the content of the notice features in the body of the notice. So the next point is about the person who writes the notice or issues the notice has to be written along with his name and designation, and at the same time his signature is also must. And the last point is that the notice is always put in the box. You have to prepare a frame and then write. So children, now let us see one example orally. You are Dhruv Solanki, the head boy of class 6th. As a head boy, you are supposed to write a notice in about 40 words informing your students about the dance competition to be held by your school on 25th January 2020 in Activity Hall. So, while writing the notice, the first thing you have to write is the name of the institute. For example, Scottish Academy, Permany. Then below that you have to write the notice, and the notice letters of the notice has to be written with capital letters. And then to the left hand side you are supposed to write the date. For example, 19 January 2020. And once the writing date is over, you are supposed to write the heading. So what will be the heading here? The heading will be here is dance competition. So the heading dance competition also has to be written with capital letters, not small letters. And once the heading is over, you are supposed to write the body of the notice. So the body of the notice will be like this. The school is going to organize a dance competition on 25th January 2020 in activity hall at 9 am to 12 pm. Those who want to participate in the competition can give their names to the undersigned. Undersigned in the sense the name of the head boy. For instance, Dhruv Solanke, and below in bracket the head boy, and just above the name the head boy's signature is must. So in this way you can write the notice very well and give justice to the notice as well. So I hope that you might have understood how to write the notice writing. And now let me take your leave, but I promise I'll be back very soon with another video. Till the time, see you. Bye bye.